need your Nissan Armada, Patrol Y62, or Infiniti QX80 and QX56 with the CarPlay Android 13 multimedia head unit from Aliexpress. Designed for models from 2010 to 2022, this advanced system combines sleek design with powerful performance, featuring 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage for smooth operation and fast response. Enjoy built-in GPS for accurate navigation, Wi-Fi connectivity, and support for 3G and 4G networks for seamless internet access. The unit includes Bluetooth for hands-free calling and music streaming, plus MP3 playback for your favorite tracks. With steering wheel control and full CAN bus integration, you can manage functions effortlessly while driving. Compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this multimedia player offers a responsive touchscreen, built-in microphone and speaker, and a user-friendly interface for a complete smart driving experience. Whether you want to stream music, use voice commands, or access real-time maps, this head unit makes every drive smarter and more enjoyable. Order now from AliExpress and transform your Nissan Armada or Patrol with cutting-edge technology and style.